the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus. It is the best robotic cleaner I've ever had. I have had many different cleaners in the past. I've had two different kinds of Polaris, the 280 and I guess the 180. I had the Creepy Crawler. I had the Aquabot Robotic Elite cleaner that was absolute junk, but I love the idea of a robotic cleaner. They are low voltage systems, so you run considerably less electricity using the cleaner. Plus, you don't have to backwash as often, and you don't use as much water and chemicals having to replace from the backwashing. So, let me show you how easy the cartridges are to clean. Just open the top here on each side. And slip out the cartridge. They have these wonderful little clips on them that just snap right off. And then the little cartridges come out. You can just wash them out, and I'll show you that in just a moment. You just take the filters apart with the easy clips. And rinse them off. That's all there is to it. And that's it, they're done. Line up the notches and put them back inside. Relatch the clips. And it's done. Ready to reinstall. It could not be any easier or quicker than that. And you just set them back in place. Once the cartridges are clean, We just stick them back in, just drop them in place, and take our cleaner, put it back in the pool. And then we fire it up. And there she goes, back to work again. It runs about 2.5 hours, and then will automatically shut itself off. It also has schedule functions on it too. Very powerful motor. This uses just one motor in it, whereas the Aquabot Elite that I had two motors, a pump motor and a drive motor. The drive motor went out and it costs half as much as the entire unit just to buy a drive motor. So hopefully this will all work good for years to come.